Hey everyone, welcome back to Can of Coffee. Here we have a Vibiemme espresso machine, and this was brought in because it was not steaming or heating the water, at least for the steam boiler. And we had found that the CPU, the control box, had gone bad and wasn't relaying information to send electricity to the heating element. So we replaced that. And also what was here, we did a light tune-up, replacing the screw-in gasket in here, running a D-scale, and deep cleaning the inside of the E61 group head. So we're going to test the features. Shot. Looking very good. Albeit a little slow. Okay, we'll stop here. This will discharge. Alright, we're going to... Well, we can already see boiler pressure is looking good for the steam. So we know we're going to get something out of here. Alright, steam pressure. And if we got steam pressure, we're going to get some hot water, but we'll do it anyway. There it is. And water level drops, pump kicks on. Alright, there you go. Working once again. Thanks for tuning in to Can of Coffee. Please like our videos. If you like our videos, please subscribe to our channel.